Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a ginseng-type beat, only way. Start by choosing a mellow tempo near 80 BPM and lay down a dusty piano loop as the emotional core. Add a gentle vinyl crackle for warmth, then place a soft pad under the piano to fill low mids. Keep elements minimal so each hit breathes and the vocal space remains clear and intimate. Dial drums to feel human and roomy, using a relaxed groove around 80 BPM that supports the piano. Design a rounded 808 with slight saturation and sidechain it gently to the kick for movement. Sequence hats with moderate swing and sprinkle occasional rolls for interest, keeping snares minimal to preserve space. Use bus compression lightly and high-pass percussion so low end stays clean, and craft melodies that mimic a singer's phrasing, leaving gaps for emotion and emphasis. Build chords simple and roomy, then reinforce the root with a warm mid-bass plus a focused sub for weight. Add silky reverb and timed delay on keys or leads, automating send levels to open and close the space. Keep ear on dynamics so the hook stands out without cluttering the mix or overpowering the vocal feel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.